You're gonna steal my box opening?
Ooh, look, I ripped it open. Ooh, look, I pulled it out. Look at that glorious Sonic thing.
Yes, you stole my... You're gonna eat my whatever the hell it is?
Your iron-on?
Yes.
It's a patch.
That came from Thailand. Rambo used to live there, you know.
Huh?
Somebody's yawning back there.
Isn't it cool?
Yeah, it is.
You know what's even cooler?
What?
A different box opening.
I was gonna say you're not gonna say the Sonic cereal, are you?
Yep.
Okay, so you're gonna move your hands so people can see you. The Sonic action figure, so people can see what it is. Okay, go.
Oh, open it?
Yes. Are you gonna molest it like Catra? And Dora? How come you didn't pick up She-Ra tonight?
I don't want She-Ra.
Why not? Catra and Adora are lonely. They need some cosplay in their lives.
No.
Why? Can you even open that? Is that too hard for you? Okay, she wants us to be quiet as she's failing opening it. Oh, she did get it open. Wow, look at that upper body strength. As she rips open the package. Any 10-year-old child or less can do that. Faster.
Ooh.
You broke the toy. You broke his magical coin.
Oh, it's right underneath the thing right there.
Okay, we're going to pause for a minute. Because she broke her toy. We're back. She broke her toy. She doesn't even know how to get it to work right. Look at that. She's just beating it up now. She can't even make him spring load open. She needs Robbie here to do it. Is that all it is? You bought this figure just to open to see what this is? What is that?
Here.
Let me see it. Oh, so he's one side good, one side evil. Oh, any 10-year-old child would have already had that out of the package. What's wrong here?
I just got it.
Yeah, but you should have had him out of the package. He's fighting you. He doesn't want to come out. It's kind of like giving birth the way you were pulling him out of the package. You see, now you have your child, Sonic. Oh my God, you ripped his head off. This is a good day for you. And it went with a...
That was really easy.
Yes. Was it worth it? Half Meal toys take more effort to tear apart than this one so far. Here, let's see him.
No.
Why not?
I just got him.
So what does he do? Other than his head pop off?
He bends.
What is he... Do you gonna go get the shadow figure now for him, the way he's standing?
Why?
Because it looks like a bizarre fanfic start. Oh yeah, Knuckles has the right expression for the way you have him right now.
You're just jealous.
If you had Shadow, you can have him switch heads. You know the kids are going to do that. Let's see it. Oh, his head. He's painted plastic and he's white. So finding these secondhand with the head is going to be really difficult, and then even more difficult with the body, with the head not still destroyed. Let's see that. Oh, he's even the cheap wire figures.
What do you mean?
Does he have a hole? Is the arm all the way through his body? Is his body solid?
No, it's just this thing that's...
Yeah, because the wire goes directly through the arms. Oh, wow. I'm surprised Katie didn't pop the feet off.
They don't.
Well, the hands won't pop off. So you will find a lot of Sonics with stumpy legs at flea markets and secondhand. Because knowing how kids are, they're just going to tear it apart. Or find them with different shoes. So
What do you think?
You want my opinion?
Yeah.
This toy line is crap.
Why?
I never liked Bendham's.
Well, that's your problem.
I like action figures because they move better. This reminds me, this would work great for stop motion. But for as a play toy, no. They don't last long.
Is it because of this head popped off?
Bendham's don't move well. But like I said, they're good for stop motion because they can hold their poses long periods of time. But as a toy, for a kid for long play wear, the wires tend to last about maybe 20 to 80 hours max, and then the first one will snap. They usually melt, they usually rust inside too if they play with them in water fast. So what's your opinion of it?
Kind of fun. What do you think?
I don't know, I'm not allowed to play with it. I got the camera. It's kind of hard one-handed. Doop, 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 doop. I feel like a Happy Meal toy. Sonic says Mega Man was a better line than I was. What happened here? Did they put all their money into the movie line? Oh my god. My toy line's even worse than I thought it was. So kids, unless you're a big Sonic fan, I would say buy this toy. If not, buy Mario. He's a far superior product. Any last words?
Buy his merchandise.
Mario's, that is.
Sonic's.
But
Only Sonic.
Mario won the Mascot Wars.